Hey, welcome to My Time Community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. I'm Anthony of My Time, and I'm going to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how all these big YouTube channels have explosive growth? Like some of these channels I'll be looking at, they have 100,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers. Some have 25,000 subscribers. And some of their videos have 100,000 views, 200,000 views. One content creator that I know, he got almost 300,000 views. And you ever considered what did he or she discover to get that explosive growth? I'm going to tell you what they discovered. And that's what we're going to talk about today. YouTube's golden ticket. YouTube's golden ticket. That's what they discovered, YouTube's golden ticket. And I want you to listen to this entire video, because before this video is over, I'm going to let you know what this YouTube golden ticket is. And it's not what you think it is. So sit back, get a pen, because I'm going to give you some things to consider if you have this golden ticket. Let's get into it. I've been thinking about this for a long time. And you saw my thumb on the screen. I'm gonna keep on recording because this is how I roll. If I got an idea, I'm gonna put it out there, because if it mess up, hey, course correct. But let's get into it. I've been thinking about this for a long time. And this beautiful weather got my mind rolling, and it got my mind thinking, what is this YouTube golden ticket? Let me do it this way. What is this YouTube golden ticket? The YouTube golden ticket is what I explained to you before this video is over. See, I got you. Now, but let's get into it. A lot of cool content creators sit back and wonder, what can I do to get explosive growth? What can I do to get my channel to grow like Mr. Beast? Those days are over. YouTube's new algorithm is not worried about you having the greatest channel. Not worried about you having all these gimmicks, and they got to have the $5,000 camera or the $300 microphone. They want content creators who is authentic. Like you see most of my videos, I'm shooting over my phone. Not only am I shooting on my phone, I'm using my earpiece as a microphone. And I got some videos that got 10,000 views, 15,000 views, 8,000 views. Not even knowing what I'm doing. That's what I want you to understand. If you have a message, if you know that you have a message, just create content. Even if you don't know what you're doing, just create content. And that's what YouTube is pushing out in 2025. This is a whole new year. Last year, they said YouTube's on easy mode. Somebody lying, because it wasn't easy for me. YouTube, you can get 100,000 views. Just copy what I say. Somebody's still lying. I ain't getting no 100,000 views. But this is 2025. The algorithm has changed. Every couple of months or every quarter, the algorithm changed. YouTube changed their algorithm to let people know exactly how to grow their channel, if you pay attention. If you pay attention. Because there was times before, yeah, you just create a video, upload it, and you're going to get all these views because nobody know who you are. And that was a big thing back then. But now YouTube in 2025 wants you to be authentic. Just get your phone. They just want it to be raw. They don't want it to be all totally edited, look like a movie. No, they want it to be raw. And they want you to put that raw video out there. So when people look at it, they're going to say, they're authentic. They're not trying to trick me with all these games and all these distractions, with all these text messages and all this stuff that coming on the phone. They raw. That's what a lot of people talk about my video. It's raw. I mess up words sometimes. Sometimes I go through a whole script in my head, and when the time it come out of my mouth, it sounds like mumble jumble, but I know what I want to say. But the golden ticket is, I'm just going to tell you what it is, because you're already 4.5 minutes in, because I know what you was waiting for. The golden ticket for YouTube in 2025 is you posting your authentic self on a video so everybody can watch you grow. That's what it is. It's simple. It's so simple. I could have told you in the beginning of the video, but I want you to understand that this is not a game. So many people come on YouTube and say they want to have a big channel. They want to grow their channel. They want to have 1 million subscribers. They want to get monetized. All of that is good. But this is a journey. This is not a race. This is a journey. As you start your YouTube channel, you're going to grow regardless. You're going to grow. You're going to learn some things. You're going to discover some things. And you're going to discover people are just like you on YouTube. Mr. B started with 0 subscribers. I started with 0 subscribers. You started with 0 subscribers. But to get that explosive growth, you got to be your authentic self. And the YouTube golden ticket is being your authentic self. That's part 1. Be your authentic self. Part 2, grow a community. See, you thought it was you thought the golden ticket was being yourself? No, the golden ticket has many layers. There's layers to this. There's levels to this. There's dimensions to this golden ticket. You think I'm giving you all of it now? No. It'll take up too much time. I might do it on a live. But the next thing in this golden ticket is build a community. Build a community. You might say, I don't want a community. You need a community for your channel to grow. Whether it's a community like my time community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. All the people coming here know I'm teaching them on the different aspects of YouTube, teaching them how to take their digital asset, which is their YouTube channel, and turn it into a digital product. I'm sharing my life, my experience, my time. I'm doing that in this community. It growed organically. I wasn't thinking about growing a community, but when people start coming in and start subscribing and asking questions, I started answering questions, and they were saying thank you. And they said, oh, I'm rocking with you. And then they rock with you. That's your community that's going to help you grow. They're going to help you get those watch hours. They're going to help you get those subscribers count. That's one of the golden ticket layers. Listen, YouTube golden ticket, number 1 is being authentic. Number 2 is growing a community where like-minded individuals are going to rock with you. Another layer to this thing, there's many layers. There's many dimensions. Is visiting other communities and just saying hi. See, this stuff is simple. This is so simple that you might say, that ain't working. Trust me, it works. Visit another community. Go into the chat section. Say hi to whoever's doing that live. Hello, Mr. Content Creator. Hello, everybody in the chat. Wait for a response. When they respond to you, hello, how you doing? Hey, hello, Sue. Hey, hello, Jackson. Hey, hello, Mrs. You respond back to them. That's building a connection. And when they see you there multiple times, that you rocking with that content creator in his live, you leaving comments on the videos that they made, and then you leave comments on the people that you say hi to, that you discovered their channel. Hey, that's a good video that you did. Oh man, that's a good video you shot over there. Oh, it helped me out a whole lot. And leave a like. You don't got to subscribe, but just leave a comment to let people know that you are rocking with their videos. Because we don't know who's watching our videos unless they leave a comment. We don't know who's rocking with our videos unless they leave something there so that we can discover that they're watching our videos. Because once you see them 3, 4, 5 times, you say, man, they've been here a long time. Who this is? See, I say, who this is? Who this is? Yeah. This is one of your creators that's rocking with you, saying that I rock with you because you got a good video. And once they discover you, they're going to go and look at your channel. And they like what they see, they're going to leave a comment. They're going to leave a like. They might even subscribe. And your watch hours grow. These are 3 things that's connected to YouTube's golden ticket of 2025. How to get explosive growth on your YouTube channel. I only gave you 3. There's a whole gamut of other things in the dimensions of this YouTube golden ticket for 2025, your explosive growth for your YouTube channel. So I want you to understand, this is for you. I want you to grow. I did a challenge, a 7-day challenge. Post one short video in the morning, one short video in the afternoon, no more than 90 seconds for 7 days. And once you do it for 7 days, you get 50 subscribers. Why 50? Because it takes 50 subscribers so you can qualify to go live. And once you go live, oh man, I gave you the next one. Oh man, that's a bonus. I wasn't going to tell you that I was going to do the next video. But you go live, that's when you can get your 10x explosive growth. But I'm going to tell you that in the next video. If this video has been a blessing to you, leave in the comment section. Let me know who you are. This is your first time here. Welcome to the MONETIZED community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. If you've been here before, you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for rocking with us. And if you content creator, got 10,000 subscribers, 20, 50,000 subscribers, you got a viral video, thanks for showing up. Thanks for listening. But I want everybody to leave a comment in the comment section. Hashtag community. Hashtag community. Because I'm building a community of like-minded individuals who wants to grow. Newbies to OGs. It doesn't matter. You can still grow. So this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. I want you to know I'm here for you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know who I'm talking to. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. God bless.